There are many reputable solar installers and solar distributors in the market, but be wary of aggressive door-to-door or pop-up installers who are new to your area. Review presentations carefully. Look for a distributor with a good reputation, good reviews, and a history that shows they will be there for you during the life of your system, which can be 15 to 20 years. Let's walk through a few red flags to keep in mind. First, proposals that only show a total system cost with no breakdown. That's a red flag. Instead, you should receive an itemized bill of materials that clearly shows the pricing for each component. Things like the make and model of your panels, the battery's kilowatt-hour capacity, the racking system, and so on. Having this level of detail ensures transparency. It helps both the customer and the installer plan the system correctly and prevents costly surprises from missing components down the road. Now, at NAZ Solar Electric, we do offer solar kits, and they can be a great starting point for customers with solar experience. But even with a kit, we recommend working with one of our application engineers to build a system that fits your actual power needs and budget. Next up, leasing versus owning. If leasing is being pitched as free or positioned as a way to avoid upfront costs, be cautious. In most cases, you don't own the equipment until the lease is paid off, and monthly payments can be close to or even equal to your current utility bill. You're also paying interest, which makes the total cost higher over time, and assumptions about utility rate increases can sometimes be exaggerated to make the lease look more appealing. Plus, leasing can complicate things when it comes time to sell your home. Instead of passing on a solar asset, you're passing on a lease agreement. That's not always attractive to potential buyers. Another thing to watch out for: flashy, overly complicated proposals. If you're handed a long PowerPoint full of unclear language or one packed with dozens of slides, charts, and colorful graphics, proceed with caution. Sometimes this is done to distract from the fact that key information, like the system size, equipment specs, or savings projections, is hidden or vague. Misleading savings estimates are common, and even experienced solar professionals can struggle to decode these kinds of presentations. Another red flag is when there's a disconnect between the sales team and the technical team. In setups like this, the sales staff may not fully understand the equipment or design process. You might end up talking to a different person at every stage, during sales, design, and installation. That lack of consistency can lead to confusion, miscommunication, and ultimately a lack of accountability. At NAZ Solar Electric, you'll work with one knowledgeable person from start to finish. No commissions, no pressure, just a system built for your needs and budget. With over 45 years in solar, we're here for the long run, offering post-sale support, lifetime troubleshooting, and local installer referrals when needed.